Kads review. Today I'm reviewing some bath bombs with rings and jewelry inside from Jackpot Candles. Now we did review a couple of weeks ago their candle, which had a ring inside, which was very pretty. Now we're going to do the bath bombs. And the first one we have is the Pink Himalayan Sea Salt Bath Bomb. Experience skin soothing and soothing as well as the spirit enriching benefits of pink Himalayan salt when you drop a jumbo spa-sized bath bomb into your tub for a long, luxurious soak. After the excitement of your jewelry surprise worth $15,000 to $5,000 that's hidden inside your pretty pink and white jumbo bath bomb. You'll be all ready to drift away and feel the balancing benefits of real pink Himalayan salt. It's the tang of sea salt and soft floral undertones. Okay, and so the price with the jewelry inside is $15.95, and without the jewelry inside is $6.99. And those are huge. I mean, those are pretty big, huge bath bombs. Okay, and the next one we have is eucalyptus bomb. Get lost in the effervescence of cooling mints and menthol inspired whenever you drop a jumbo spa-sized bath bomb that will release the stress and maybe even ease your seasonal woes. Drift away into the dreamy eucalyptus notes and the cool mint undertones. Okay, and like I said, $15.95 with the jewelry inside, and the price without the jewelry is $6.99. What a great gift, though. I mean, these are very, very big bath bombs. And check out their website because their candles are amazing. I use my candle every day. Love it. The scent is so beautiful. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to show you and reveal what rings we got. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to check out how much my rings are worth. So let's check this one out. I'm going to put the code in. And look how beautiful this one is. So pretty. It has like a little heart. And look at the sides. Very pretty. Okay, so let me put the code in. Okay, so this one is $20. And that's a great one. Okay, and let's check this one out. How beautiful is that? So pretty. They have some beautiful rings. Okay, so let's check out this code. Okay, so this one is worth $35. So these are so fun. I love doing these. And the one in the candle that I received earlier was absolutely beautiful too. And I have to say about the eucalyptus bath bomb, I really am not a fan of eucalyptus because it's very strong, but I have to tell you, this eucalyptus was very, very subtle, very, very light scented, and absolutely loved it. Very refreshing. And the Himalayan sea salt one, the pink sea salt, was such a great scent. Loved it. And check out their website, and like I said, they have candles and bath bombs. And let me just give you that pricing again. The bath bombs are $15.95 with the jewelry inside, and without the jewelry inside, they're $6.99. And they make great gifts too. So thanks again to Jackpot Candles for sending this out to us for review. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.